Okay, it just... Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're on our way to Bosveld Oase. It's only me. The last few days we've been having a lot of rain here in Pretoria, so there's a gap in the weather for me to pitch up the tent and whatever for the caravan. So yeah, come with us and enjoy it. It's still cloudy and it's still rainy, so we see how wet we get. Otherwise, I don't know, it's always a great weekend when we go camping. We usually tow with 2.8s with the bus and my car, but this 2.4 is loaded at the back. The caravan is loaded and it's chugging along nicely, so it's really impressing me. But I think the spice that they put on this map, I think it helps a bit. I think a lot of people cancel their bookings, but it looks like the weather was true. The rain has stopped a bit, so I can set up a camp quickly, and then tomorrow it's sunshine. Just want to show you guys the road I'm driving now. What we'll do just to go camping. I must say the check-in went very smoothly and they're very friendly as well, and I must say there's grass here. Just have a look, there's grass. And I didn't know our stand actually has paving. I didn't know that. So it looks like we are one of the first people here. There's a guy at the back sitting up there as well. But I think a lot of people cancelled because of the weather. But you know, no, we won't cancel, we go. So we're on the fence, 52. So I just need to get my stuff right now because I'm alone. Alright, so I'm going to start now. I'm going to put up a nice time lapse so everyone can see the effort I'm putting in for everyone to have a nice time. And I'm going to do this drill. It's a bit overkill, but I mean, if someone wants to change their truck tires, just hit me a link or send me a message or drop a comment below. I've got the tool. So I just finished setting up camp. There's still no one here. I must say the rally tent is a bit more work than the awnings, but because of the weather we thought it's a better idea. And we got some shade because it's about 6 by 6 meters when it's finished setting up. So yeah, now I'm going to have something to eat, a little lunch, and then just wait for the other people to arrive. But I mean, you can see at the back, I think it's only me and the other guy at the bottom there. But yeah, looking forward to our stay here. And if you haven't yet, please like and subscribe. It really means a lot, and it helps the channel grow, and gives me the opportunity to make more content like this. Thank you. Welcome to Bosveld Oase, a tranquil bushveld escape just 15 minutes outside of Brits. Whether you're a seasoned caravaner or just looking for a weekend breakaway from the city, this 40-hectare resort offers the perfect balance of high-energy fun and quiet bushveld vibes. Let's take a look at what makes this one of the most popular camping spots in the northwest. First, let's talk about where we're staying. There are 111 spacious stands, and the first thing you'll notice is the grass. It's thick, green, and incredibly well maintained. All the internal roads are paved, which keeps the dust down and makes it perfect for kids to ride the bikes. Every site comes with a standard blue power plug, a dedicated water tap, and a portable braai. One of the best perks here is the service. Early every morning, the staff comes around to empty your dustbin and clean out your braai, so you're always starting your day with a fresh setup. The bathrooms are often the true test of a campsite, and Bosveld Oase passes with flying colors. The communal ablutions are modern, spotlessly clean, and wheelchair friendly. They even offer family bathrooms, which is a massive help when you're trying to manage toddlers, and there is also a neat scullery area nearby for all your dishwashing needs, keeping your campsite clutter-free. Now for the main event, the water park. This is where most of the action happens. It's got a massive 10-meter high, 100-meter long super tube, plus twin racer slides for those who feel like a bit of a competition. For the little ones, there's a dedicated sprinkler park and a play area. If the weather turns, you don't have to stop swimming. The resort has a large undercover heated pool. This heated pool is open all year round. Outside, you'll find more cold water swimming pools with waterfalls and an open air lukewarm pool, so there's always a spot to cool off. If you've forgotten your hood or just craving a treat, head over to the on-site general shop. This kiosk is well stocked with the essentials: thick ice, fire lighters, and wood for the evening braai. They also have a range of snacks, cold drinks, and even popular ice creams to help beat the heat. But here's a pro tip for parents. They also serve affordable takeaways. If you don't feel like cooking lunch, you can grab a quick meal right there at the water park, so the kids can get straight back to the slide. For those who prefer a bit of peace and quiet, the Catch and Release Fishing Dam is the place to be. It's a beautiful, scenic spot on the property where you can cast a line and wait for a bite from the local carp or kurper. It's an ideal spot for teaching the kids how to fish in a safe, controlled environment. Just remember the rules. It's strictly catch and release to protect the ecosystem. So bring your camera for a quick photo before letting them go back into the water.
Why are you going to do that?
Beyond the water, there's plenty to keep everyone busy. There's a 9-hole mini golf course, trampolines, and a game room featuring pool tables and table tennis. If there's a big game on, they usually have it playing on a big screen in the lapa. And because it's a game farm, keep an eye out for the 5 different wildlife species and the incredible bird life that calls this place home. Now back to our weekend. We are still waiting for our other campers to arrive, and they will be here shortly. everyone is here now, and Armanda is busy finishing their tent. And the moment they arrived, it started to rain. The whole day, there was no rain, nothing. And when they arrived, it started to rain. But you know, we campers. We go with the weather. We make the best out of it. But yeah, the setup looks nice. So I don't think we're going to have a braai tonight with this weather. We're going to pull out the paella pan. Armand is a paella specialist. Gaan hy lig weer?
Wat maak jy?
With the rain, we didn't make fire to have a proper braai. So it's already late, so we're just trying to get the vleis gaar here on the gas, on the paella pan. Some boerewors. I think that's a pork rasher. And then there's a lekker thing there. It looks like a chuck or something, but it looks lekker. Maar we'll make the best out of it. But it's vuur en vlam se vleis, so it's good.
Even on a gas braai.
Even on a gas, shaking gas braai. Ek dink jy ons gaan nou reg langs ons opslaan, Armand. Nee, en dit lyk alright om Everyone, we had a wonderful night. I think me Lamana slept 3 hours. Yeah, she was in our bed, she was in her bed, she was all over. And then 1 o'clock this morning, she decided it was time to play. So we didn't play. Yeah, but it's a misty morning, a very moody, misty morning this morning. And usually when it's like this, it's going to be a hot day. So we are very excited. People are waking up now and going to swim a bit and going to super tubes and whatnot. There's a lot of things to do here for kids, and we're looking forward to it. And you can hear the birds as well. There's a lot of bird life. We didn't see any animals yet. I think the animals is on the outside, but you can't go for your own game drive like Dino King or those places. You need to I don't know if they offer game drives. I'll just put it down below, and then you can go for walks, and obviously you can ride your bike. But yeah, we're going to have a coffee, get some caffeine in us, and get some energy for make some food, and then it's light and it's playing. That's it. That's we bought this at Jasmine, and there's 2 yolks inside. It's almost a double doer. Okay, het jy gesien like it? Finally the weather changed, the sun is out, and man, it's going to be a lekker day. We're just making some food now quickly. We had that eggs from Jasmine, the double yolks. Not all of them are double yolks, but they are extremely big. So after this we're going for a swim, and if you haven't yet, please like and subscribe. And Bosveld Oase, I mean, we heard from some people that it's not the same as it was. But I must say, it's not bad. It's really not bad. Grass is amazing. The ablutions are beautiful. And Medana is loving it. So that's all that matters. We're going to try this fresh, unwashed quail eggs. These eggs come from the nest. Wash before consuming.
Oh, wacht. Ik heb gevallen.
Ugh. Okay, so now it's us and that quail eggs. Carmant. Let's give it a go. We never made this in our lives before. Check the size of this. Okay, let's just try one, Armand. Like a normal egg.
Ja.
But watch this. Oh, perfect. Huh? Look at the size. Okay, let's go. Another one. But I'm struggling here a lot. Armand, this is our live on the go taste. We never had it in our lives before. Never. How does it smell? Right. Weird.
No, it's fine.
Looks fine. One yolk.
Tastes like egg.
But like,
Kwartel egg.
no, it's like an egg, but it's more stronger.
There's a strong taste.
It's got a stronger taste than a normal egg. It's quite, yeah, strong, Armand. Yes. It's lekker.
Ja.
It's very nice. It's really not bad. It tastes like an egg, but it's like the flavor of an egg, I would say by times 3 maybe. Oh, that was quite interesting. I don't know if I'll buy it again, but it's lekker. Lieve. Ja? Kom Eentjie. Ja, kom ons gaan op die gras.
En daar is modder. Ja, is modder.
With this lovely weather, we took the chance and jumped into the cold water swimming pool. And man was it cold, but it was worth it. Me and Lonnie and Armand is in the cold swimming pool with those crazy campers. It's only us here. Hey. Go. Go, Lana, go. Go, Lana, go. Spring. Yo, mooi, Lana. Gaan weer, gaan.
En allemaal.
We're on our way to get some lekker ice cream. We had a bit of a rest this afternoon, and now me and Armand is very hungry, so we're going to eat another biltongbroodjie, but this time not on white bread but on freshly baked buns. It's also not a bad choice. So yeah, me and Armand had a heart-to-heart under this tree now, and now all the ladies are awake after their afternoon nap, and yeah, they're a bit grumpy, you can see, yeah, she's a bit, but we will win them, and yeah, and tonight we're going to have a lekker braai, go to the hot swimming pool, and we must do our review on the switch flavor. Watch till the end to find out what it is. Yeah. Personally for me it's one of the best flavors they ever made. Cho, cho, cho. Yeah, this is quite a special switch. It's a bubbly favor and it's their 10th birthday edition. You don't get them anymore. So yeah, I've got 2 in the fridge. Now I only have 1, so I'm going to leave that one. But today we're going to taste this. I'm a little bit sick, so I'm just going to pour into my glass. You see, it's clear, huh?
Yeah. A little bit pink.
Yes, a little bit pink.
Smells good.
All right.
Yeah. This is a good flavor.
Yeah, it's better than the fruit salad. It's actually got some taste, and it's not as fake. I don't know if it's bubbles. I don't drink, but
Yeah, like champagne or something. But it's an energy drink, so.
yeah. But this one is wow. But it's a rare switch. I don't even think some people know about it. So oh, it's lekker.
Yeah.
And even the can looks lekker. Huh?
The first one we bought in Meyerton.
Yeah, yeah. Can you believe it? There was one on the shelf. Mr. Armand fitted the tow bar to his car, so we walked in Meyerton.
Yeah.
And we saw it there. So you guys in Meyerton, you know about it. Yeah, we Pretoria guys, we don't know about it. But yeah, compared to the fruit salad,
It's very good.
yeah, it's much better. Rarig. I'm impressed. Huh? Lekker braai here now. Got some sausages from Vier en Vlam, chicken. Some lamb and rump. I think this is like a sausage. Another lamb and rump, and then another chicken, and then we got the kos, a cheese bread, and then Armand, it's got a lekker spekworsie as well. And then there's some groentes there in the mic, but yeah, we leave it there.
That's for the children.
That's for the children. We're doing this today, and the sun is out. Everything is beautiful and perfect. The grass is thick, and yeah, Milana is coming now with the mother as well. She had a swing and a swim. But shame. I think my wife is going on to 6 months pregnant now, so it's quite tough, but she's a tough lady. Yeah, at Bosveld Oase, this is now the best time of the day. The sun is setting, and it's quite beautiful with the grass and the shades of the trees. And everyone is out because it's a bit cooler. Kids are on the bike, and Milana's playing with the bird seeds, and there's people just making fire and talking. And yeah, it's a total different experience than other places that we've been to. And yeah, it's very, very quiet. So yeah, you'll see in these shots now, it gets quite cinematic. And only the bushveld can give you that look in the grass. Armand, well done, eh?
Okay.
This braai is nice, man. Got some veggies, some lekker garlic bread. Oh, it's perfect. And after this, we're going to hit the warm water swimming pool. We're at the heated swimming pool now. It's Saturday night, and yeah, it's, the water is perfect, Armand. Huh? Oei. The water is perfect, so we're just sitting here now before Milana goes to bed, and yeah, so it turned out to be actually a very great day, a very nice day, and Armand had a lekker braai for us tonight, and even my wife is here. Let's have a look there. All of us are swimming. And Lelani.
Yeah.
Hello. Morning guys, we had a wonderful night actually. Milana slept well, but it was windy, man. Armand, they removed their side panels on the gazebos and so on. I don't know when they did it, but we were sleeping, and yeah, it's another day in the bush. It's like we're going to have some like a coffee now, like you just saw, and we're going to make some breakfast, and we're going to have a play with Milana, and then it's time to go home. That's how it is on weekends. There's a beginning and there's an end. But yeah, I don't know what Lelani did here with this ropes. What the hell did you do? Check this ropes here. Lelani, someone is going to fall over these ropes, huh? Atmosphere here as well is very, very chilled, and no music allowed, which we love. It's just quiet and peaceful, especially where we stay in the city. Just to come out sometimes at the bush, some grass and trees, and especially for the little ones, I think it's very, very important. I don't think you must give up this opportunity to have this time with them. Milana thinks we're in the Kruger, so she's calling all the wild crocodiles and the hippos. But there's no crocodiles here. Daar's nie seker krokodille hier nie, my liefie. Of waar's hulle? Wys vir pappa, waar's hulle? She says she's seeing a crocodile, but I don't know. I don't know. Huh? Yeah? Yeah, she believes there's a crocodile, but on the last morning of camp, you eat what's left. So we've got fresh buns, we've got double yolk eggs, and we got some meat of yesterday's braai. So we're going to see what we can do. With a paella pan, you can go a long way. So we're making the best out of it. Brits. Oh, nee. With his friendly staff, top-notch facilities and safe environment for the kids, it's no wonder people keep coming back to Bosveld Oase year after year. It's really a 10 out of 10 family destination. Thanks for joining us on this tour. Don't forget to hit the like and subscribe for more South African camping adventures.